Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to register your Bosch product for warranty. First thing first, go to the Bosch website at the boschhome.com. Next, you will need to select your region right over here. I choose the America, so where is this one? United States. But if you are somewhere else, it might look a little bit different. Don't worry, the steps are pretty much the same. Once you are on the site, scroll all the way to the bottom under Owner Support. Just a moment. Owner Support. You will see the product registration button, so click on that. Now you will need to create the account for this. So to create an account, go to the top right corner here and click on this My Profile. Then select Login, create an account. Here you will fill up your email, phone number and set a password, and you will get verification code in your email. Enter it to confirm. After that, you will complete your profile and entering your salutation, first and last name, this kind of stuff, street address and other details. Once that's done, create account, and after that you will be ready to enter your product. And after that you will click on here and register your product. Here's what you need next. Find model number, enter the model number or the E number, ENR, delivery date, FD number and serial number. If you are not sure where to find your model number, use the category selection tool right here, and you can choose whatever and it will show you where it is. This is super helpful if you can't locate it right away, and then you don't lose nerves to look for it. So yeah, you can help yourself with that thing. And that's it. I hope this, after you finish, you just hit the button, register the product, and that's it. I hope this helped you. Make sure registering your Bosch product is super simple. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.